everyone, welcome back to the Meenka vlog. My name is Dr. Meenka Yuvraj, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can remain healthy, beautiful and fit, especially in this lockdown, right? I know now the lockdown is very frustrating, and we all, whatever we wanted to do, we are not able to do towards our health, beauty and fitness, right? So in this video I'm going to give you some important tips by which you can do it from your home itself. You need not to go out, and by following all these simple steps you can remain beautiful, healthy and fit, right? So first of all, what we have to do, anyways it's a lockdown, so you'll get enough time to take your regular sleep, right? So first point is take enough sleep. Enough sleep will definitely help you out to remain overall healthy and beautiful. Enough sleep will give you a good skin, healthy and glowing skin, and you'll remain calm and quiet, and you can focus on work also if you take a good sleep. The second will be the exercise. You should focus on the exercise, especially in this lockdown. The gym are not open, right? So even if we couldn't go to the garden also, right? So in home also you make a proper schedule so that you can get enough time for the exercise, especially the yoga if you're doing, or the meditation, or the aerobics, whatever suits for you according to your plan, according to your schedule, or work from home schedule. You plan out your fitness regime so that you can focus on your fitness, because ultimately exercise will help you out to remain fit and beautiful, right? So do whatever you can do towards your health and beauty. So exercise play an important role, so do the exercise and remain healthy and fit. The next will be eat healthy food, right? Schedule your plan, have proper breakfast, proper lunch, proper dinner. Not only just because whatever we have to eat, we have to eat the proper healthy food. What should be included in the breakfast, what should be included in the lunch, what should be in the dinner. Just make sure that dinner should not be very heavy, dinner should not be very spicy and oily, because it will not good for your health, and ultimately if you not be healthy, your skin will get dull and you'll not feel fit, right? So have a proper diet, proper nutrition. Have some, eat some the dry fruits in your diet, some curd, or some more nutritious food that will eventually help you out to be healthy. The next will be drink plenty of water. If you're drinking a good amount of water, it will reflect on your skin, on your overall health. If you're drinking good water, your skin remain always be glowing. Mark my point. Drink a lot of water, at least 8 to 10 glass of water is mandatory. It's required for your body. The next will be don't take stress, right? Stress is a big time hitting our health, right? So stay calm, be quiet and work and schedule your the day-to-day activities, so that the stress will not raise, right? So always don't take any kind of tension, just be calm and quiet and do something. Exercise play important role, so that you should not feel stress even in this frustrating lockdown time. The next will be go for the regular checkup. Doctor will do the regular checkup according to your health, according to your weight, right? So go for the regular checkup, and doctor will definitely help you out if you need some kind of extra supplements, if you need extra vitamins or minerals or whatever required for your health to maintain a good level of health according to your age, right? The last will be maintain your healthy body weight. Body weight play important role for your overall health, overall fitness and your beauty. If you're beautiful but you're overweight, it doesn't look good, right? So always maintain a good health according to your height. Your health should be certain stats has been given on internet. If you search on internet, the health and height should be proportionate. So always focus on exercise, always focus on your healthy diet, so that you can feel good, feel beautiful and stay healthy. So guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, don't forget to subscribe my channel, so that whenever I post a new video, you get my video first. Thanks for watching.